Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does have front and rear LED daytime running lights. Also comes with the sports package, which is going to give you 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, sport suspension, sports interior and exterior, a macchiato beige MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Also comes with ambient lighting. Coming around back, we've got our E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, a burl walnut wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, dual climate zones, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging station with USB port, cup holders, command center with our dynamic selects for different driving styles. This E300 has 27,425 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.